There are so many expensive SEO tools out there that it's easy to feel overwhelmed or frustrated trying to find the right one. That's where Content Raptor comes in. It's a simple, affordable solution made to make content optimization easier. With its easy-to-use design and powerful features, it helps you create SEO-friendly content without the stress or high cost. Not only is Content Raptor incredibly affordable, but it's packed with features that make SEO more approachable for beginners while still offering the depth needed by seasoned professionals. In this review, we'll explore what makes Content Raptor unique, its standout features, how it stacks up against competitors, and why it's gaining traction among agencies, site owners, and SEO enthusiasts alike. What is Content Raptor? At its core, Content Raptor is an all-in-one SEO optimization tool that integrates seamlessly with your Google Search Console data. This integration allows it to identify high potential traffic opportunities, streamline your content optimization process, and track performance improvements over time. It's designed to help you make data-driven decisions, whether you're optimizing an old blog post or creating new content from scratch. What sets Content Raptor apart? Affordability. Starting at just $47 per site per month, it's a fraction of the cost of competitors like SurferSEO. Comprehensive features. From content rewriting to keyword tracking and A/B testing, it's a complete solution. Beginner friendly. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners, while its robust features cater to more advanced users. Now let's take a closer look at how Content Raptor works and the features that make it stand out. Getting started with Content Raptor. Setting up Content Raptor is straightforward, making it an excellent choice for users who value simplicity. Step 1, get started with Content Raptor. Now you can do so by clicking the link down below in the description, where you can go ahead and get started with a free 7-day trial. Now that we have our Content Raptor account, the next step is to sync your Google Search Console account. This allows Content Raptor to analyze your site's performance data and identify pages with the most potential for improvement. The setup is quick, taking less than a minute, and provides actionable insights right away. Receive personalized recommendations. Content Raptor evaluates all the keywords that your pages rank for and prioritizes optimization opportunities based on potential traffic impact. This ranking ensures that you're focusing your efforts where they'll make the most difference. Optimize your content. The real magic happens in the content editor. So whether you're adding missing keywords or refreshing old content, Content Raptor provides tools to make the process seamless. The AI rewrite tool takes the guesswork out of content optimization, saving you time and effort. Bonus step, tracking your progress. Now, once your content is optimized, the platform offers tools to track performance over time. This includes monitoring keyword rankings, impressions, and overall traffic growth, allowing you to measure the direct impact of your efforts. Key features of Content Raptor. AI rewrite tool. One of the standout features is the AI rewrite tool, which revolutionizes content optimization. Instead of manually rewriting sections to include keywords, the tool allows you to highlight specific areas, and then the AI integrates keywords naturally into your content. This ensures that your writing remains engaging and avoids keyword stuffing. Benefits of the AI rewrite tool. Saves time for agencies managing multiple clients. It eliminates inconsistencies often caused by manual optimizations. It offers unlimited rewrites, even on the most affordable plan. So whether you're updating a blog post, enhancing product descriptions, or creating optimized landing pages, the AI rewrite tool delivers high-quality results without compromising readability. Real-world examples. Imagine you're managing a website with over 50 product pages. Instead of manually tweaking each page to include the latest keywords, you can use the AI rewrite tool to optimize all of your pages in a fraction of the time. This not only ensures consistency, but it also boosts your site's overall SEO performance. A/B testing. A/B testing is a premium feature in many SEO tools, but Content Raptor includes it as a standard offering. This feature allows you to test different versions of your content to measure performance improvements. Metrics like click-through rates or CTR, daily impressions, and rankings are tracked automatically, giving you clear insights into what's working. Why A/B testing matters. It validates the effectiveness of your optimizations. It also provides data-backed insights, eliminating the guesswork. It simplifies the process for smaller teams or solo site owners. For example, you can test whether adding a specific keyword to a heading 1 tag or restructuring your content improves its performance, all without manually setting up experiments. Advanced use cases. Headline optimizations. You can test different headline structures to see which drives more clicks. Call to action testing. Experiment with different calls to action to improve conversion rates. Keyword placement. Assess whether strategic placement of keywords impacts your rankings. Rank tracking. Content Raptor's rank tracker lets you monitor how your keywords perform over time. The base plan includes tracking for up to 150 keywords per site with daily updates. This feature is invaluable for identifying trends, seasonal fluctuations, and the impact of algorithm updates. Key benefits include visual representation of keyword performance, correlation of ranking changes with specific optimizations, scalability for managing multiple websites. Now let's look at a practical application. Let's say you optimize a blog post targeting the keyword best coffee makers. With the rank tracker, you can monitor how your ranking evolves and tie improvements directly to the changes that you've implemented. This transparency is particularly valuable for agencies reporting back to clients. Advanced insights and use cases. Integration with Google Search Console. Content Raptor's deep integration with Google Search Console is a game changer. By leveraging real-world performance data, the tool identifies high potential opportunities that you might otherwise miss. For instance, it highlights keywords where you're already ranking on page 2 of the results and provides actionable suggestions to push those pages to page 1. Optimizing content at scale. For agencies managing portfolios with hundreds of pages, Content Raptor's ability to streamline optimization tasks is invaluable. Features like batch processing and bulk updates ensure that you're not bogged down by repetitive tasks, freeing up time for strategy and analysis. How Content Raptor stands out among competitors. When comparing SEO tools, it's important to focus on what sets each tool apart and how they align with your specific needs. So let's break it down. Pricing. Content Raptor redefines affordability in the SEO space. Starting at just $47 per site per month, it offers a robust suite of features at a fraction of the cost of competitors. Now, on the other hand, SurferSEO starts at $99 per month, making it a significant investment, especially for smaller businesses or individuals who are just starting out. Features. Functionality meets innovation. Content Raptor. It's not just affordable, but it's packed with features like AI-powered rewriting, automated A/B testing, and built-in rank tracking. These tools cater to both beginners and experienced SEOs looking to streamline their workflow without overspending. SurferSEO. It's known for its detailed content optimization and competitor analysis. It's a powerful tool for advanced users. However, it does lack some of the other features that Content Raptor has, like A/B testing, and it requires integrations for rank tracking, which could add to the cost and complexity. User experience. Content Raptor. It's designed with simplicity in mind. It offers an intuitive interface that's beginner-friendly, yet scalable for agencies managing multiple sites. Features like automated insights and unlimited AI rewrites make it a time saver for busy teams. SurferSEO. While offering advanced capabilities, its steep learning curve and dense interface can be intimidating for new users, making it more suitable for the seasoned professional. Bottom line, you're seeking a cost-effective, all-in-one solution with innovative tools like AI rewrites and A/B testing, then Content Raptor is an excellent choice. For those who prioritize advanced content recommendations and competitor insights and are willing to invest more money, then SurferSEO remains a top contender. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your budget, technical expertise, and specific SEO goals. Who should use Content Raptor? Some ideal users include agencies. So if you're managing multiple clients, then Content Raptor's scalability is a perfect fit. Portfolio owners. Optimize a network of sites with ease. Small businesses. Affordable pricing makes it accessible without needing a full-time SEO expert. Limitations to consider. Keyword tracking caps on lower tier plans, and it's currently best suited for WordPress users due to integration compatibility. Now let's take a look at some real-world testimonials. Jamie IF, founder of Increasing.com, says it's like SurferSEO, SEO testing, and Query Hunter combined, but on steroids. Joe from Niche Campus says Content Raptor helps me analyze SERP fluctuations daily and tag content for easier tracking. Final thoughts, is Content Raptor worth it? Absolutely. Content Raptor delivers incredible value at a price point that's accessible to almost everyone. Its combination of affordability, ease of use, and powerful features make it a must-try for anyone who's serious about growing their organic traffic. So if you're ready to give Content Raptor a try, then be sure to check out the links in the description. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And supporting us through these links allow us to continue to create valuable content just like this. So we thank you in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. We're here to help new and existing entrepreneurs succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.